Today you all get a 3-for-1 on this year's Valentine's Day cookies. First up is the Conversation Heart cookies. Now if you followed along with my Valentine's Day cookies last year, you would know that these cookies are much bigger than last year's. These ones are 4-inch cookies, if not more. They do not fit in a standard sized cookie bag. So I had to make sure I got a larger bag. So this first one is Cutie, followed up by Be Mine and Hug Me, then XOXO and Call Me. And the last one says Love Me. These ones are always a classic that I absolutely adore. I mean, you really cannot go wrong with a standard and just gorgeous Conversation Heart. I don't know what it is. They're simple and they're perfect. I love them. I love them. I get a request every year to make them. This year's new cookie is the ice cream cone. I am so excited someone finally asked me to do one of these because I've been wanting to do it for many months. I've had my eyes on it. So can we just start out by pointing out that the color that I was able to mix for the cone portion was spot on. It came out, I couldn't have asked for anything better, and I did it on the first try. So round of applause, pat on the back for myself on that one. But I absolutely loved it. This customer chose purple and a beautiful blue for their ice cream colors. What colors would you have chosen? The fun thing about this one is there's several textures. There's the cone texture, there's the several layers of icing, and then to top it all off, there is sprinkles on top of the quote-unquote ice cream. So you get several different kinds of textures, but in the end, it all just melts in your mouth. I'm looking forward to doing these next year. Super excited. Last up are these cute little I don't even know what these are, but they're adorable. So you When you cut out the cookie produces that little heart in the middle. That heart then goes on top of these little donuts. The ones I'm showing you do not have sprinkles on them. Half of them do, half of them do not. The ones with sprinkles do not have a face on them, while the ones without sprinkles do have a face on them. I make the face with an edible paint marker. Not a paint marker, like a food coloring marker. It's edible. But they're just so stinking cute. So which one of these three is your favorite? Leave a comment down below and let me know. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Like this video if you thought it so worthy. Hit that bell if you want a notification every time I post a new video. And as always, be super today. Thank you.